Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book with line 50, Laughing Song. So we're going to look for patterns and start at the beginning. As always, we have our treble clef, and the time signature is 2/4 times, so the top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note if we had one. So let's break that down. If I had a whole note and it got 4 beats, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so the quarter notes get 1 beat each. Finally, half of a quarter is an eighth, and half of 1 is half. So each of the eighth notes by themselves get half of a beat. All of the eighth notes in this song are beamed together in pairs. So it takes 2 of them in that pair to equal 1 full beat. So the first one is always the downbeat, the second one's always the upbeat. 1 and 2 and 1. So we're going to go through and check out our notes, check out our rhythms, and then we'll play. So we start with 3 C's in a row before we really start moving. So I have 2 quarter notes and then a half note C. Then I stay on C for my first pair of eighth notes, lift one finger for my next pair of eighth notes, that's the D, and then I have a half note E. I stay on that E for the next 2 eighth notes, then I lift for the F, 2 eighth note Fs, then I have an open G, then F, 2 eighth note E's, and then I have to add 1, 2, 3, and the middle finger on the right hand. I always have my thumb covering if it's anything lower than a G. I have my B down here below the staff, and then I lift that bottom finger for the C. Okay, so we have C, 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 D, D, E, 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 F, F, G, F, E, E, B, C. So I want to start my metronome. When you play along, and I hope you can play along with me, start each note with a t sound. Let the tip of the tongue touch the tip of the reed to make that happen. My metronome is set at 84 beats per minute. As always, if you need to pause the video, practice a little section, you can definitely do that. But here we go. And 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 50, Laughing Song. I hope you're able to keep up and play along with me. And I hope you found this to be helpful. And we'll see you next time.